How to pin chats on Instagram. So if you want to pin chats on your Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, go with the upper right, which has that DMs or messages section. Now once you're here, you just need to simply tap and hold on to a chat, and you may have pin chat option. But if you don't have the pin chat option, or if you don't find that option, then you can simply go and update to the latest version of Instagram. Once you've updated, your pin chat option might be visible. Or you can just open up the chat and you can simply tap and hold on to the chat, and you will have an option of pin chat or pin the message. But if you don't have that option, then it means that it's not available in your region yet. So just wait for a few days or a few weeks. And once you've updated, you might get that option. So that's how you can pin chats on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.